Yahoo has a major problem on its hands right now. In fact, it's a problem it's been suffering from for the past few years. It's the perennial turnaround story in technology. They've gone from Terry Semel as CEO to Jerry Yang and now Carol Bartz, and none of them have really been able to make Yahoo cool again. This is a company that once ruled the internet media world, and it's been eclipsed by rivals like Google, Facebook. Heck, you could even say Apple has stolen a lot of its thunder in this mobile world that we live in. So Yahoo really needs to do something to energize both its users as well as investors. The stock has languished for a long time now, and I bet you a lot of people still rue the day that Yahoo turned down that Microsoft takeover offer in 2008 for, at the time, a very big premium. So do you still Yahoo? Looks like many of you actually don't anymore. Steve Homoki says Yahoo will not rise if it does not put something new in the market. If it stays the same, it'll slowly die off. It needs to incorporate itself into the iPhone, iPad era. It needs to come up with new innovative ways of capturing its audiences. I don't remember the last time I needed to go on Yahoo. And that's, I think, a problem that a lot of people have. Heck, I still use Yahoo for a couple of things. Fantasy sports they're actually great in, but being the expert in fantasy sports may not necessarily mean that you are the most relevant online tech company out there. Kumar Nanamurthy agreed and said, Yahoo has been eclipsed by some of those rivals I mentioned before. There is a generation of kids growing up with Facebook, Google, and don't know anything about Yahoo. That's a terrible thing. I mean, just look at MySpace, for example. MySpace was all the rage in social media not that long ago. You'd be hard-pressed to find many people that are talking about MySpace right now, and it could be a similar thing with Yahoo. Aaron Broomfield definitely doesn't see a happy ending for the company. Yahoo sure has an odor of Netscape circa 2001. Sure, they have lots of users, but my guess is that is on the downward spiral. That's obviously the worst case fear for any investors in Yahoo right now, that Yahoo could be Netscape, if you will, to use the term that people refer to for the once mighty browser company that was quickly pushed into obsolescence in the new world of Internet Explorer from Microsoft. They're showing that it's just not easy to stay relevant in this rapidly changing world. And Matthew Yikes summed that up the best. His critique of the problems the site has is this: Yahoo?